तो जब मेरे से इंटरव्यूअर ने पूछा क्या आप अमेरिका को बेच देंगे, क्या कहा मैंने? और क्या आप मेरे से कोई और उम्मीद रखते थे? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट के अलावा कोई उम्मीद रखते थे?
Will you allow the American government to have CIA here in Pakistan to conduct cross-border counter-terrorism missions against Al-Qaeda, ISIS or the Taliban?
Absolutely not. There's no way we're going to
Seriously?
allow any bases, any sort of action from Pakistani territory into Afghanistan. Absolutely not.
Next question. There's been talk about Pakistan forming relations with Israel, and we know the winds of change are blowing through the Middle East. Is this in the cards, and why?
I'm afraid I don't know where this has come from. It's not. Pakistan has a very straightforward position, and it was a founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, was very clear that, there has to be a just settlement, a homeland for Palestinians before Pakistan can recognize Israel.
एक रियासत जिसकी मोरालिटी, मॉरल स्टैंडर्ड्स होती हैं, उसको एटम बॉम्ब भी तबाह नहीं कर सकता, जिस तरह जापान था, तो फिर खड़ी हो जाएगी। तो आपको एटम बॉम्ब मारने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती उस माशरे की जिसकी मोरालिटी खत्म हो जाती है। जब हम करप्शन को बुरा नहीं समझते तो माशरा तो तबाह हो जाता है। और ये सबसे बड़ा जुल्म इस माशरे में मैंने 1985 के बाद जो चेंज देखा है, हमने तो पाकिस्तान को देखा ना, जो सबसे बड़ी तबाही आई है कि हम चोरों को बुरा ही नहीं समझते, तो हम ये मैसेज देते हैं कि अगर डाका मारना तो बड़ा डाका मारना, सिर्फ छोटे चोर ही पकड़े जाते हैं पाकिस्तान। तुम गुलामी करोगे, ये आजाद कौम है, हम किसी के सामने नहीं झुकते। रूमी से किसी ने पूछा कि कौम कैसे मरती है, मौलाना रूमी ने कहा जब वो कौम अच्छे और बुरे की तमीज खत्म करती है, कौम मर जाती है।
Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Imran Khan. May I request protocol to escort His Excellency? I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and I invite him to address the General Assembly.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. My third point is Islamophobia. It is important to understand this. The Prophet lives in our hearts. When he's ridiculed, when he's insulted, it hurts. As we human beings understand one thing: the pain of the heart is far, far, far more hurtful than physical pain. And that's why the Muslims react. Mr. President, if a convention war starts, and anything could happen, but supposing a country 7 times smaller than its neighbor is faced with the choice, either you surrender or you fight for your freedom till death, what will we do? I ask myself this question. And my belief is, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but one. And we will fight. And when a nuclear armed country fights to the end, it will have consequences far beyond the borders. It will have consequences for the world, which is why I repeat I'm here. Because I'm warning you, it's not a threat. It's a fair worry that where are we headed? And I've come here to tell the UN, you've got to, this is a test for the United Nations. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination. They are suffering because of that. And this is the time. This is the time not to appease like in 1939 appeasement took place. This is the time to take action. And number one action must be that India must lift this inhuman curfew, which has lasted for 55 days. It must free all political prisoners, and especially those 13,000 boys that have been picked up. Parents don't know where they've disappeared. And then the world community must give the people of Kashmir their right of self-determination. Thank you.